How to download Audacity. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to download Audacity and install it on your system. First of all, head over to the official website. It's recommended to download Audacity directly from its developers to ensure you get the latest secure version. So click on the download button right here, because the website automatically detects your operating system if it's Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Wait for the download to be complete, and after that you can head to the download section on your PC, click on programs, and you can find the Audacity installer right here. And here is the Audacity installer. We gotta double click on it, give it permissions, click OK, follow all of these prompts, and after that you can launch Audacity right here from your desktop. This was it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.